So if you like minimal gold jewelry, very contemporary pieces, you might enjoy this video. It's Magali. I make kind of regular videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, food, travel, and pottery and ceramics, just basically many different things that I'm kind of into. I'm very glad that you're here watching this video. And today I'm doing a very small fine jewelry or gold jewelry haul video because I bought some small new pieces from a brand that I had my eyes on for a really long time. We do like a little unboxing and then I have little try on shots of me wearing all of the pieces. I'll tell you guys my experience or my review also. And if you're into like gold jewelry in general, I do have 2 previous videos that might be relevant to you on my channel. So first up, I made a lengthier gold jewelry collection video, which I'm linking in the upper right corner. It has quite a few pieces like earrings and pendants and bracelets and rings, and all of that stuff was basically things that my mom gave to me, because you know, like Indian families in gold, it's not something you can fully separate. Parents passing down stuff to their kids and all is really quite normal and also special. So it's not just about the individual piece, but often it's about like the story and significance behind it. I also have a previous gold haul like this from a couple of years ago when I bought few things from Magali, which is a Canadian brand, and a ring from Forever Mark. I think in that previous haul video, few of the pieces had diamonds, but this time it's just gold stuff. There's no stones or anything. So I'd been browsing and window shopping Aurate for quite a while, and I finally bit the bullet on a few of their more affordable pieces. Now I really want to deconstruct the name Aurate because it's something that delights me. On the periodic table of elements, gold is identified by AU because the Latin name is aurum. The rate part of the name refers to the 3 different rates of gold that they sell on their website. Almost all of the jewelry is available in 3 different rates at 3 different price points. The most affordable price point is called vermeil. Vermeil is a fancy way of saying gold plated, wherein the jewelry is made of like any hypoallergenic metal, but not a precious one, and then it's coated with a layer of gold. Then you have 14 karat available and 18 karat available. 18 karat, the ratio of gold mixed in with other metals is higher. 14 karat, the ratio of gold is like, you know, a little bit lower, and there are other metals mixed in more. There's actually a benefit to lower karat gold like 14 karat, and that's the reason I pick it most of the time. The purer that gold is, it ends up being a little bit soft and you can't make delicate pieces out of it because they'll break. But when you mix in other metals, you can make really thin pieces and they're very durable. So all of the things I'm going to show you in this video are 14 karat pieces, and they also have 3 different colors of gold available: regular yellow gold, rose gold which has a pinkish coppery tint, and also white gold. I have a mix of yellow and rose gold. Today I have 2 pairs of earrings, then I have another pair, but they were sold as single earrings, so I had to buy them individually, and then I have 1 ring. Aurate is based in USA, New York, but they do ship across the world. But I don't like to take a chance shipping gold jewelry. I would be able to track it, but then I anticipate issues and additional charges at customs, so I had these delivered to an American address, and I'm going to leave a link to everything I show you guys in the description bar. There'll be individual links, and I might even give a shout out to a couple of my wish list pieces that I hope to purchase in the future. The packaging is really pretty because it's all like dark green boxes. That's their main color, dark green. Kind of just slide this cover out. Very subtle, very chic. The gold actually comes with this small little velvety pouch that you can see, that you can store the jewelry in. Up in this box I have the gold ball studs and the mini gold bar earrings. These are both rose gold, so you can see that pinkish coppery tint. I kind of bought them more as second piercing earrings. Here's what they look like on. I have to say I'm a very little bit disappointed with the gold ball studs. I saw that they were tiny. It's like my piercings aren't very widened or anything, they just kind of disappear in my ears. But if you really don't want anything flashy, if you want something very small, you just don't want your piercing to close up, you can get these. They're kind of affordable as well. The gold bar stud, I love it. It's the mini gold bar stud. I think it's super cute. It works in my main piercing and it works in my second piercing as well. I really like that for these stud earrings they actually have proper gold backings as well, because most of the brands in India now for these smaller earrings, they end up giving you those like plasticky silicone backings for gold jewelry even. So I like that this has a nice solid gold backing and it feels very secure. I've worn these for a couple of days at a time. You know, the backing doesn't move or anything like that. So the next pair of earring, it's not really a pair because they have these very adorable like earrings of all the different celestial bodies. Like I saw a rainbow, I saw sun, and so many different cute things. But you buy these individually and then you can buy 2 different ones or 4 different ones and wear them because they all have the same theme, or you can just buy 2 of the same one and make a matching pair. But I really like the idea of 2 different earrings where they're not the same design but they are the same theme, so they fit together. Then I bought one gold Nova stud earring, which is a star, and Luna stud earring, which is a moon, because I'm very into those 2 motifs paired together. And I bought these in yellow gold, not rose. After looking at both the color of rose and of yellow, I prefer their yellow gold. I used to find gold available in India way too yellow, it's too bright, but their yellow is it's more muted, it's more subtle. These are just so pretty. They are really delicate, and these also I plan to wear them in my second piercings. I just ended up putting both of them on one ear only. I really loved how it looked, but when I put like 2 of these in one ear, what am I going to put in the other ear, you know? So I feel like I should maybe get a sun and a rainbow or something for the other ear. I haven't decided what to do there. I love how tiny they are, but still the level of detail is pretty nice. That's it for the earrings. Now moving on to the ring that I purchased. It is the mini infinity ring. It's a smaller version of their larger, more statement infinity ring. And I really love it because it has this like textured, like slatted design. I don't know what to call this design, but going on throughout the band all around. It's subtle, so you can stack it if you want, but even when I wear really thin rings, like on this hand here, this is one of my jewelry pieces, I don't usually stack. I like just wearing it on its own. So I think this looks really pretty and I like touching it and I like twirling it sometime. This is my favorite piece of the entire haul. I like earrings also, but I don't know, I can't see the earrings when they're on me, you know. I can see them in a photograph or a mirror. I end up loving rings more because I can look at them. Like, I'm not wearing this stuff for other people, I'm wearing it for myself. So I like looking at my hands and seeing my pretty rings on there. And after wearing this one, I feel like the regular infinity ring is also on my wish list, but it was pricier, so it's something that I'm gonna think about a little before buying, but I also really want it. And there's this other ring that I really love from them. It's called the Deco Fan Ring, and you can get a version with the pearl, but I like the one without the pearl. And it's very art deco. Like if you've seen those art deco arches, it kind of reminds you of that, and it also looks like a fan. Another wishlist item. I'm really happy with the things that I got, although they are small and subtle. It was a nice way for me to dip my toes in and check out some things from this brand, and I feel very certain that I'm going to buy some more pieces from them. So what do you think of them? Like, did you like them? Did you not like them? I'd be interested to hear your opinions. And are you also into minimal jewelry like me, or do you like maximalist, like larger pieces, or do you not like jewelry at all? That's also a perfectly valid position. If you have bought stuff from Aurate and you're here for that reason, I would love to hear what your experience was like as well. Let's just chat in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.